Now we are checking your order. Number 5, plastic in slider injection mold. Now we show to you the mold dropping out directly automatically. The mold is inside now. Okay, technician open the hole to show to you. It's dropping out directly. And we check the quality. The quality is good without burn. And it's very nice. I use the green color to make the sample for you because in order to you can separate our samples with other mold samples directly. Because normally another person use the black color pure M for testing the mold. So we use this color for testing the mold for you. Then you can see it clearly. Okay, now another sheet is coming. Okay.